Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your iPhone to the laptop with a cable. This is faster and more reliable than wireless. Once connected, unlock the phone and tap Trust so the computer can access photos. Make sure you enter your passcode. Without that, the transfer will fail. On Mac, use Finder or Photos. On Windows, open File Explorer or the Photos app. If the device doesn't appear, try a different cable or USB port to rule out hardware issues. Now import the images. On Mac, open Photos and select your iPhone under Locations. Choose Import All or pick Photos and click Import Selected. On Windows, open Photos app or File Explorer, navigate to the DSIM folder, then copy and paste specific folders or files. You do this so you keep control over storage and avoid duplicates. Make sure to select the destination folder on your laptop. Once done, monitor progress and do not disconnect during transfer to prevent corrupted files. Finish by confirming files copied and safely ejecting the iPhone from Finder or File Explorer. This prevents data loss. Alternatively, enable iCloud Photos on both devices to sync wirelessly, which helps keep edits and albums consistent across devices. Once done, organize or back up the folder to another drive. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and laptop, try a different cable or USB port. And on Windows, check Device Manager for driver updates. These steps resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.